untimi nkancha me so be manage obi on we ne so na me tie na think say me ma Shatawale be my to yeah because Shatawale he's like me.
Usano ono ma me mo anetina ono parents netina o mother no father yina nti usano na wa started so ro
me so unza ntina me kan say esun ne yakopon ma obi ason be
okay
me so no ma me atalete nta metwa
nti atare we wo betimi e de akoba bi atare a hye de ba
ma sha atare yo me hu bugo
okay uni me be say ahefo hu atare a hye ba nti betimi twa 360 like go sorry na o twa 360
me sha atare.
Hello, my name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Say, ope baby, I'm on home IFA. To say the my year, any kind of baby, I saw so ba Lydia Unisex Boutique. Who will be some say Lydia Unisex Boutique, El Hefa, El Asari Boutique, School Junction, Hope, who drew one out business. Open Lydia Unisex Boutique, I'll be a vetro. But over how we and carry Papa and the go, I say. Didn't you know also about habit to attire because attire Papa they win now. So be shot tire now, be seen now, be winning young mindy. But had the old bar. Obeshe obesa shibim amobi obisa say atare de still na da so yemono aha and I'm a commentary into so part I about to so your ba so your bema into your friend unisex no braha never to atare
make we jubilate it's a happy day joy all day we never go fail they never fail say who needs the wedding punim afi we ya temu kate yeah.
Hello, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Mediane Armstrong Poleeno Ade. So subscribe here, click a bell notification no. So never anytime we able post the video be and you get it straight. For phone say them get my phone no Instagram, yeah IG Poleeno_com ne follow your hustle so. The ultimate chain no, I mean very beautiful lady. Labena. Obi beka say Ghana there and Kenya culture no say obi PSC be brain a lot of tattoos no but Charlie I've been at the also one tea. Me walk over about Poleeno Multimedia.
Yeah, Majisu sem.
And unti trees ana.
Oh, me teach but me name say Majisu ye jana ye na.
Oh dear. Ye na de na say me ye oba na bibisa.
Oh, okay, ye ja.
Ye ja.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Charlie, a family so. Come kind piercing but a family so. How many piercings do you have?
I have 30 piercings.
30. 30. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 wow.
Oh.
Okay, me who are so on the nyina kosi. The other one also the same thing. But no kosi. Okay. And now time. You don't have it. Where you?
Yeah.
And where again? Because when they irritate.
I think it's a 15.
Nah, yeah.
I haven't kind but the other part is
other part we say. Oh, now we just want to know. I want to say, yeah, we didn't come on. People want to know about you because you're an artist.
Yeah, me will be what me from so.
Okay. On Navel. Okay, and I hear you.
I me take a man and I can put it at any time.
Yeah. Audition.
Yeah.
And where again? Because so can boomer they all can make you because I 15 I hire 3 4 na say a hand with this side no 20 and I say so say
me host like me
earrings
yeah me
okay nti man say o the emphasis a hand so be 27 a hand nyina 27 I had 28 nti other two no he oh he fine we just want to know
say back wo me take man
me dey no aka ho me dey no kan this side yeah
host wo host wo me the chef na 30 na so
and I'm see host na match obi wa ha no oh
say me pass my dey ni shemo ye
ba I sure say hope na PS
and me form so ne baby e wo
baby e wo na mbese me ho him biem like on say oh yeah new artist people will be looking up to you on how you started dancing at UPS until we start about them now then people will get to know say oh, okay you understand
yeah
until him you just say just be free Oh, I had the Poleeno Multimedia. They know that when you come here, A, you have to tell us a B, you have to tell us a B. As in,
maybe
you have some on your private part.
Yeah, one.
Which part? A swan answer.
A sudo.
Or crate.
Yeah.
Or crate.
Yeah.
Okay. And me posty picture be me status and then Facebook stories. Now they may be say a lot of questions, but me rate plus 18. Into interview when so work na unya 18 also skip it because and same be brave into unya 18 and skip it. Labena, yes, what kind of music now yeah?
Me dance.
We are gospel.
Hey, now I am going.
You are going to me gospel.
Me to me gospel.
I did the why on honing yet.
Me jira on pombe pamo me.
Debbie, what's it the why you unti me gospel? Into wow, when you say the why on honing.
Debbie, oh yeah, because I know na mommy niji. What you say?
So why you saying say you can't do gospel?
Everything I have on me means me gospel because I can't do gospel.
Okay.
Anything I mean to me the gospel.
Okay. Okay.
But the band is a meeting my. But
okay.
For now, need the
you can do
gospel.
gospel.
I can do gospel.
Into you dance or?
And
Afro pop. Yeah. And Afro. To my freestyle crans and yes, to us. Yeah.
Mate. You want a dope girl? I'll be a dope girl. But me canna wear me, I know they hear what. So I pound lollipop, you want some chop chop. And do me idea for pan a back where me say, oh Betty, bad girl, dope girl.
Wow.
Era babe kuma, bad girl, dope girl. Era babe kuma, say me say, oh Johnny Mimpene, Munchino mame cratchy, every coin. You know get kapa crowd, sorry I uma wanunda, and I dare wish ya misa, ube ya sama, unsiasa, Miss Obete.
Like I said, this video no say unya 18 plus. I mean, or target audience here him for. Also be our target audience. All they him for like the street, the beer, but above 18 and below for be on for.
Yeah.
Unyi ni so be say nkre.
Baby obi anya kwala bio na Ghana ha. 5 years kra for nya kwala, we ka just say mpacho nya kwala. Ghana says
because and you freestyle ya o my same bebre mo say boys na mo sorry am de mo ano na yi no e na o kire say o sorry na o kasa na o behia na o bedwane na o dwane so o ma o nwane o be che o be ya ma o nsu asa na say o beku no
so my weekend so no pen over inti wa be there so mbo abo no
we too bad or bedroom.
I'm a killer.
You're a killer.
Yeah. I can't say I'm a true killer and so me for now journey. Unikapa, you don't have to come closer. That's the thing.
So how many tattoos do you have?
Oh, I have a lot. I mean kind.
Oh, own kind of tattoos.
Because I don't so into about one of my.
They ain't my tattoo.
Me tattoo. I love tattoo. I love piercing. Me what be say 10 years, no age of 10 years now. Me catch my parents say. Me person me nya dey na omuchro wo mo na me bi no na your friend say. So me parents, my mom is like oni me dey nti. Me nya.
No,
yeah, no, on can say me nya na my bi o say me nya me ba betu like ubenya betu no. So me nya na they see me like this no. Enye bibia ye hu ma omo bia you get it yeah.
So mo ya we so oben nyina na ewo.
I dey no wo me mu dada enso say na yakopon bo bia you get it yeah.
So I mean also we watch church and then our church.
Don't look at me so small say I'm going wrong. Once you are pointing your fingers on me, someone else is judging you. And say this.
No, I don't serve.
Yeah.
No, we say that.
They will listen, they have no choice.
And on the top here there.
Wait.
They will listen. Okay, and now kind of
yeah, but this is different thing. Like way mommy kind my baby.
Asking.
Like me call a baby this better yeah.
Now the media.
See, mommy kind my baby. Me need the dam, me jare no all those kind of things.
Where's spirit?
I'm your spirit.
Yeah, you're in your spirit.
Yeah.
When you're sober.
Minya insioba. I never say insioba.
Oh no, say say toy no need dear growing those kind of stuff.
Yeah, because me akwala no motor mommy.
When you inspired to come into the music industry?
Oh, yeah, na I know me nkase bia asimasi we na asimasi. Like
but when I hear now I say oh, me share we and I say oh, I did meet me until say me baby.
Oh, a lot of people.
Make a mainstream phone. A-list no a man or mom our game no match.
Oh, mom our game no match no say Becca ni
so when they say more or Ebony aba Miss V more
no more junior like senior phone na me.
Yeah, okay. I mean, maybe person me say omumu hwan on like omo ayi nim omo the fame ones no. Why now here now say okay
me obia me ni yimu mom die.
Obia
yeah, obia me ni yimu mom die. Everybody.
Okay.
Because omo nyina omo ya die they are in the system nti say yemfa ne so obia ba enro akrampo a o system no asa na oba nti so fa ni die man no respect. Enye say bia owo mo enro ansa na oba nti bia mo nya mo ye ko de bi.
Alright.
Owo ma ansa na me ba nti no matter what.
Hi, Poleeno Multimedia. Like I said, so unsubscribe, subscribe, and click the bell notifications. And anytime we drop any video, you get it straight. Entertainment, you could deep na the source, and I say root no abro na when you be. Into your man we still did aqua. Musician Labena, and that's so education come dance or kum Afro pop musician. Labena,
Yes,
how many tracks now are outside?
Oh,
2. Single.
Yeah, first track was with Nifani, Mini Nifani.
Okay.
Yeah, but second one Indian.
Okay. When is support your career now, Gasa?
Oh, me and I'm managing me.
Wow.
Yeah.
You don't have anybody?
No.
Not even your family members or more support you?
Yeah, like, you know, if you want to do something, and you say, Uchema or being Peja once, I say, woman, Peja, yeah, push you when to say, do baby no be who say you are trying your best now.
Or best support.
Say, or best support you, and our support you. So I didn't say.
And your parents are supporting their way?
They have no choice.
I know they have no choice because what stepping in a way, but are they supporting? You know, you would say, okay, my count into the giant, but I'll be all corner, or be support you. But on found who be a man as almost support you.
Oh, and yes, on family won't be like they're still my family. They still support me in everything I do. At yes,
almost share on you.
May they were too sweet to my mom. Son, she's like, and you would dare do it like video no social video no see are
a video need to say
like video is somehow
YouTube. Okay, into Obo Labena, no about too sweet. Into more person who heard the video. I mean, video made me really cry. My car Labena too sweet. Now wako check it. Labena too sweet. I mean, a very nice video. Quality near okay, but in your mom, me who tattoos view were cheap. Video.
Yeah.
But also into me in kind of tattoos.
And yes, I mean kind like
own kind,
yeah, imagine.
But oh, be 30, and this will be 30.
Oh, mean kind means to mean che.
When a 1 hour and I say, Obi name.
Oh, and me and me, but me and Cassana me piercings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
2 didn't a.
Me koto we panny no moody piercing and Cassacasa.
Okay.
Namidia.
No, out there womb.
Yeah.
Oh no, my droby and I say.
They be me.
Oh, a hard girl.
Minty pains. I don't know what's called pains. Something about war move rough.
And then they say, Unya obi the other obviously be a one there. Anna.
I don't feel pain. And me funny say me pain I am where I know every day. Yeah, that's me.
Philippine or body.
No.
This can't try crown tipping.
Like Meti say moja baba.
Tipping. What do you draw?
That's me. Say
oh motia.
Many motia.
You don't have much.
No. But I believe in God. Yeah.
But I'm quite sorry.
Oh, 31st, because say,
oh, sorry.
was Sprinters.
Yeah. Just Sprinters and yeah, sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I sorry being Sprinters now, sorry no one I sorry needing the Sprinters.
Ay, maybe if you sorry need you.
Okay, that 31st no one will be a pass sorry 31st.
Okay. Baby, I hear no for me madam for being a boy.
Okay.
Yeah, any mommy no. The mother also like me, how I am. Me a genuine.
Yeah,
I don't fake myself.
Yeah, I understand.
To me, quite so I come for I don't cover nothing. Me the baby I could say yeah.
As in dressing out the name yeah.
Oh, sir, dressing the obit me the dressing be aqua sorry by a command.
I'm saying any day.
Oh, they be the bumboa.
No cry.
Bumboa.
I saw call Papa no when I said draws or something because discount Papa. It's not respect.
Mommy because when me say I am it here. Nti na make say so say no bia nyakopon born no ba wiase wo ye boy so oba be shot all down kwa ati ase obi wo so ye born say oba na body de oba jama na
me post you picture bi na tattoo no like osire had nyina eba na what tattoo
yeah
nti e fa ha sa ko e fa he
fa ha sa ko me ton
otum nyina
ai
mama na hekra ma anya de
ka che nimpa no so mba mi dem no be hwe oh no be hu ni ye na ha de mi che
e oba so obedwane
oba mom de onye strong obedwane isi na me say o jane me mpene monche no ma me krachi e riko he you don't ga kapa kra o sorry a umma wanu nda ene de washia o meta over yasa ma usiasa.
All right, this comes a question bia obiso o ya lesbian
Mbacha de
You're lesbian.
Me lesbian.
Nah. Lesbian a pelda.
Nah.
Your uncle bam pelda.
Maybe. No more my lesbian, so me nipa.
Yeah, no so me nipa.
And I didn't gonna had to be a hit you musa. They are also like us.
Okay.
And to say be a woo see a wife fresh out here now and who's also very gear. There's nothing wrong about that. They be some American.
I understand, but there is something wrong. It's not good.
They won't say almost on a ABB and a mom yes I like and you'll be an able sorry I not see until me far bemanda. And sometimes so when you bow one I be almost say any attitude assistant all those kind of things. When I saw call banning in a funny casa so I didn't say Mr. Oh, Munja Sammy interview. Okay,
yanko.
So what you say? Into una obeko ban when we be sunset then they cost na say me who say your assistant woman. But parents no they don't care about their children. What you say?
Okay.
Ebi obi na ko tuna mo na like obi akọ repeat no. E wo kwan born so. And because of that in mema
ehonya na ko.
Like in mema or ya obi.
Every.
Yeah. Enti uye be ma obeko ni nche onu ubekasa all right. But to me fa ne ho ma osro. You get it, and to all those kind of things no. Sometimes your parents no fault.
Okay.
It is a baby cause no una so bisa oban. Say then they cause no nyama.
Okay, have you ever ventured in lesbianism? Say be what remove than way from?
Oh, they be me remove.
So how come are you saying that it's nothing bad about it?
Like me, I feel say they also like us.
Yeah, I know say they also like us,
but meaning say I don't know why Ghana for ebimu omu jumpy those people. So or sorry and so be change that person will change. Say again sorry and so be change he will change. And if you want someone to change and you say beer you put it on the person say we yegi. Nipa no on se sanda because there is nothing for you to tell him or best san kasa. Okay. Any akokra over.
Okay, so if I have to tell you say beer Labena, he appears in Nina and I make Casachewa. Will get to your point, shall be.
Who can na? It will look something for me, maybe so say you channel now, you now rabbit by young come straight, sir. Uni ni panu beya than 5 times go senti. Nipa no or started be no who lifestyle la woman no no can put besan to no for more what you say any all those kind of things but untimi fiti I say atale short na wo she no jai kakra okay nti so no feel say obejai okay but say onjai enye say be onjai nti wo be pon dey continue to be friends.
Okay.
Yeah, nyakopon wo ye ni bibia wo kwan papa so you get to see.
Alright. Nti atare we wobetimi e de akọ ba atare a hye de ba.
Ma sha atare o. Me hu ngugo.
Okay, uni me be say ahefo hu atare a hye ba. Nti wobetimi twa 360 like go sorry na. What twa 360 ge.
Me sha atare. Eni.
Tobu no mo hwe ni. Tobu. Yes, sound no. Tu betimi de akọ bia.
Atale na hye mi enti. Ani de metimi de akọ bia.
All right. Aha eguso Poleeno Multimedia. Like I said, me din Eddie Armstrong Poleeno and there so subscribe here, click it. Subscribe button and so click it. Bell notifications and anytime we drop any video beyond, you get it straight. Labena a musician or a dancer artist. Nti say unim na call Google ne search no ne follow ne staff na mean be fan na be kan fan base o fan base no e design
yeah afa na call kaka
nti what in the ye wo shake gang ye wo you can say SM fans ye wo nti wo de na wo de
fans
wo de no omudin ne say
o mi de ne Labena
what do you know? Fans na Labena. Okay.
Labena fans.
Okay. Nti ye can say obisi me misa say me post a picture na questions na go for obisa me na fe na I'm coming today. Obisi me misa say pictures na we twa no. What's the sense in it? Didn't you know trust our picture and say be all wrong when we twa picture.
Cause that picture dey be a trebi. Nti me so me dey na makotwa.
Is it kind of a way to attract men and say?
And you can bonnet so like ebia we say no kwa kotwa picture wa call nya wo pesa we ye no eno na wo kwa koye e dey twa picture nti me so me dey no. But not in a bad way.
Not in a bad way.
That's me.
Yes.
As I say.
They should love you as you are.
Yeah, accept me the way I am.
Okay.
Me pesa ebia make say me ekrife later we be fani now say me nye krife na. Me obi a me tutuja.
All right. Oh, it's so real. I mean, the ten no akano because sana Poleeno Multimedia ye peno. Obaha ebisa no achimze ebisa bi no achimze bi. Obisi me musa say the way I will see twa pictures roll ho no uni ntare na one enquire relance of donate atare ma.
And your fam right because me ankasa me bag mu de. Ntare na wo na ngasa no. Like this the kind of dress I have in my bag. Me ni
different any say be a straight dress be out between their class.
Dress never me ankasa me designer nti ba me am designer ya ni crazy.
Nti all the we na call you can say tw3rks be and you say we are but dressing me say na the call tw3rks.
Me share skinny na me share so very light. Me pants be. I'm sure top white blue so na me ko sai. Me ko say me ko sai.
Nti usa sai.
Me saka.
Kofo hell.
Me donya me. Me timi sa na say me be two bros ni la.
Nti utimi sa na say over two bros.
I love dancing. Me pass nti enwum ni me fa ho say asori nwum mesa. So far as I can't beat one kwan dey I'll dance.
You dance.
Yeah.
And then kofo share wo. Then I suffer kan. Suffer am from after the way no.
They be suffer na kasa we say me genuine person like me nya fake and nya me no ho me say it's the right thing.
Ntia on say asori bi wo akwa wo ye ho sa no ye pon asori na say bia during asori no obi timi ba na wabebisa odin ato say bia ye pon asori na atwen obi approach you.
Oh no, me feel sorry easy because at the end of share me no it see me nice like what you say we also for mama.
So we say a trial go to jail right but
you who your ma skate na make am unhu hwe.
Okay.
Like a see me nice unhu hwe we there this is the real so for mama atali na me share kwa sorry. Me jina ho yi me mpa we go wa ba say mpa chokoba o. Enti me be san say dem me days like me mensi say me chia no see baby. Be san say so what? No, see because of ayi me shape ni no more cover.
Enti na omoye we.
If you are so easy cra. I was with my mom that me feel easy.
Wow.
So I see say like omom was so no can for munya.
Enti usano. Ono ma me mo na tena, ono parents na tena.
o mother no father yina nti so na wa status or
me so unza ntina me kan say esun ne nyakopon ma obi ason be me so no ma me atalete ntia metwa me twa na machine so because I know na me
socket
me sha me
because obi bisa me say dent na me bisa say reason be ntina o pese o pe exposing your body like and our body e faint na
no enya sa on say no na me ya me ho to me I feel good like a day me so na me ye 1 PS oh shall we say we will me feel
when
me to me sa like ahwehwe no be so wow me hwe me ni musa yes
when you so fair
me that say
oh sugar daddy
I don't sugar daddy
say be a papa be or support
papa
you
no for me papa no I'm not dating me dating obi I know pem
oh me dating tea yes I do
ja girl never family
me ja me girl no mate me ja
mate
nti why na wo abrabo ma I mean be ma be na wo abrabo because onyuma wo to kire se so bi ba na won na chia one on one na wo beda obi dwane when you are there
nti na me say I'm not dating
nti ani nti na wo boss anyum bisa
like anyum na me bo na ekoma obi a anyum ma me boy who them now no girl and now no really it goes for you.
Okay, so what kind of lyrics angasa now use? On say you will be say family lyrics no lyrically no more times no chere ohie be ya ma oni all the any to say thing.
Family need
no. I mean on say no there no.
Professor udi arehu anu akoti family.
Na say orehu anu akoti no je nkranhye bi wo ho.
Yeah.
Nti wo so there no to say bia empason on your radio programs e be empason komo e be entertainment you dey empason komo nyuma na say
oh afra empason komo nyum it's not empason komo no there no it's not more deep like the open one what you say and no there baku pen.
Okay and type baby because once obi so follow because of the kind of music out there oh yeah and a debut which
and near woman so like Usha utie one kasa I say entertainment bisa no.
Oh okay. Now so unim sapa.
Right. But can't say so.
Ba otweke.
Ai.
Otweke. Unim tweke pa.
Bisa.
Obetimi atweke.
Oh pa.
Ah yeah.
Yes, I have so.
Oh, set working the movie.
Me talking me did them mean.
How they kakra be we on say nyomebu how you catch the fans say be okay onim twerking anytime you am hearing be over twerking tell me am hearing be over sir. You understand? Anything na me ma why we nyina. So your fans will really get to know you in person. You understand?
Twerking money away.
Oh, normal twerking. I bet you go for.
Eh, sir. And so Bonnie man,
oh no, just do it.
Just do it. It's me now bones. Go baby. Go baby.
Okay, me producer bebo nse mama. Me producer wa bebo nse mama.
Ah.
Ti yanko.
Mate.
All right.
Oh, this thing.
You dey worry, eh? Don't worry.
So.
Shift to brass kakra the camera.
Okay.
Brass menim kakra.
Like this is okay. So. Oh baby.
All right, and Simon, I want to heard that part, so no. I mean, I'm trying my best to, ask any question. Be and say, fear and coming sound. And see, I'm trying my best. Most of the questions not for my personal reasons, because of you. So one person will be prepared, like I said in the video, above 18 plus. And so when you're 18, say also when you're more of Labena in your mouth, just Google Labena, right?
Yeah.
Or Apple Music.
Yeah.
Or Spotify. Oh baby, yeah. And see all platforms, they just type Labena. So within a unique, right?
Yeah, Labena.
Labena.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, Labena.
And see you do type anywhere Labena.
IG so yeah. Labena GH.
Labena GH.
Facebook so Labena Music.
Labena Music, Facebook so.
Yeah.
And a YouTube so.
Yeah, YouTube so Labena Music.
YouTube so Labena.
Twitter so Labena GH.
Labena GH. See anywhere be no the Labena na Labena Music no. When you type
then
it.
You catch me there.
Yeah. Ne share na ndin come. Into who hear new management?
Yeah, me like if I get someone who is serious, me will be not or you serious me mpe kwanchen.
Kwanchen na de.
Unza obi ba ordinary ba betutu hu say oh me manage you na or be that person is coming because of something like you know. Yeah, that's
so they also oba obejane.
Yeah, you know, oh suddenly they say happy their manager ni like
artist.
Hey, untimi nkancha me so be manage obi on we ni is a lie.
Obi there. I say it baffles my mind, innit? O say mean to me nkanjo say artist ne manager oba ne bema so me oba ne bema mo.
But they not be firewood.
Say ejuma.
Yeah, they come on. Into me uti na me contact na me ba unchan ya hunye. Ube. Na me you do it, come on. Na me kaza ni amaye no ube.
Then now be.
No, like me ba unchan hunza me I just go straight. Yeah. No, it's not like I'm even by aside. I just go straight to the point. Charlie me kwando even then.
No makai.
No. Ukrampo catch me saying the enye na ukrampo feeling me that I know all this kind of ways. And ebe ya people ya no go back to work.
Eh, oh there na what can na
no, me there like at the end there won't me can't me say. And there just a nipa no your pastor camp away.
Because him say Ghana hano. And ma be Miss V no wo you can the links of which a member and a manager Albert manager. And she was watching say Albert and Miss B ebeda na say
like dog.
Oh, is that so they all can na me bisa.
Oh, it's happening and then they want me say
it's happening and ebesi. Based on what dream we dey omo ye baby. And now for sure omo ye baby.
Oh, I need them mean to me come on, but me side need the say your manager can do it. Yeah, and in the end, the mean coming that me over. I will not lie for nothing.
Until when the money na want to me on the cool.
When the new bullet. Oh, almost say like say sex is a connection and to say they feel like to do it, they'll do it. Or maybe then they'll go back to work. So on to me be jina bonti say bia like the manager ni na ibi on to me be esa. Until it will just be in between both of them.
There no so nche say you obi aso na be esa. Eno na wonji ntum sa.
Oba ni bema wo dem. Oba ni bema wo dem na sometimes kan kwenye ye oba. Oni mi dakete so. Ahomachi na ya motor jacket a lot. And see ba miss you do it. Me angasa me da no we start so mami we dey mami nya ba. You guys is
okay, according to Labena so on there on Gini say artists being in the manager omo ye oba ne be ma no omo be ye adwuma obra 6 mpm eden 6 ebpm according to Labena na okay on dey say we hwan so even the gospel side ni na.
I said sometimes gospel side no e obi ni ne kun no mo ye adwuma enten mpo de e fala mom.
All right.
They will do it at any time they want.
And see artists when our person in the edjuma.
Oh, be a better board.
I mean, why now unya at a sport who say also go at oh and you ma me ye den coming ya ibia.
It depends on the song.
There to so be blue.
It depends on the
So
song.
the kind of music are we? Into the kind of music now we
and
orchestra system now why not fit here or be more on blue.
And American like remember side now over.
Obia there wo there what's not them say okay nyum we there. Onyum won so ye nyum say oh nyum we dem nya sa akode to so a nyum we nya medical to so nyum we aha sa listen. We are why na.
And American obi obebe so we are like.
But why na me dey enter bar in line.
Oh, I have a lot in mind, get it. Me name say na me yimu because everybody is good. As I say everybody is good. And in your menya no say oba or bema I will get that person. Like meaning the call. Because Obia is good to me.
I know so Obia is
good. To me, you move back to say I will choose this person. I will not.
I'm not saying say you choose this over this, but what I'm trying to say is, Ebia me yenyum. Me yenyum me mitimi go for nyum. Miti obi nyum mitimi ka kire ne say enyum we die sako de best so de no betu. Nti nyum wo a wuti atimi say oh enyum we die ebia yemfa shatawale nto so. Enyum we die yemfa sako de nto so. Nti the kind of music now we no. Ebia wati wonyum bebre. Nti wo ha onyum na we no hwan na wo kondo so de na to so ebebulu.
Like me third track me say no. If bias me do be better so I say remember side that because third one no be man baby me say me do be better so grandpa. So na me tie na think say me ma Shatawale be ma it will be more crazy because Shatawale let me
Obenya vibe no.
Yeah, he's like me and
streetness.
He understand things and so me di no ever sad part man it will be crazy.
Wow. Shatawale to say
what is that me?
I didn't say.
So you higher.
More higher. I don't mo kakra.
Oh, baby.
Do you smoke?
Me, I don't smoke.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't smoke. I don't mean not even ganja, not even cigarettes. Alcohol for me. I can't take much. I meet my fire belly sana shandy. That's my drink.
Why? Obi was boy.
Yeah, because me and I have this natural high in me.
Okay, you are hyper already.
And it's a miss also the baby. Oh, jeez. That's
emergency. All right, we understand. Yeah, call. I mean, so for social media handles in Tuja.
Yeah, me IG Labena GH, me Facebook page Labena Music, and me YouTube so Labena Music. And I'm Twitter so Labena GH.
Alright, and see so we say we have more information about Labena. Now, we Google Labena be like Labena Music and Labena GH. I think say we have more details now and then you never back. Now, enche jana manakono. I mean, kai episode we freestyle no say freestyle no there. Obe follow na obe nya more. So obe ni na wa ha. Na kwa say wonya ne vibe ni nyines nti follow na obenya more. Labena.
Yes, darling.
Why na I mean artists be na nim say all Ghana ha obon homodem pa.
Oh, a lot.
They wuni.
A lot. Sako de born homodem, Stone Boy.
Obi abon homodem by AVGM you artist of the year.
Shatawale so he's good.
O feel Shatawale pa.
Like
on a real Felicia.
Oh, I love everybody. I love it.
I understand, but on a real, you can say artists are feeling a pa ube shata in the industry.
Oh, not say be amazing because I have a lot in mind and it makes me
okay. What will be your final words to Ghana for? Any offense?
Oh, okay. Ghana for this is me, Labena. So what you have to do is to accept me the way I am and let's move on.
Why are you saying this? You accept you the way you are?
Because Ghana for Omubekasa.
That's how you say Ghana for Bekasa.
Oh no, like me, example, Mr. P outside, people don't think say me a Ghanaian. And say sometimes if you Multimedia say we only Ghanaian, you na Ghanaian be no wait my anyone say. But Omukana. Me sure when him say na mama almost smiling face almost say once on your Ghanaian those people no more when Jim say you did not them grandpa say you get it so
become one somebody I won't feel
no me will become one somebody I feel like the person want to be like me but on yasa chance na not to me and yet to say me no so what he or she have to do is to come back transit now come one same so would you my papa be and about this sort in your office be na okita bibi or ton.
Where then no ma mood. Peta na bola be.
Omugoku.
Hi, Poleeno Multimedia. Me I'm strong Poleeno Ade. So subscribe to Poleeno Multimedia. Oh, hwere nyoma bebe. Subscribe what it. Now click the bell notifications and anytime you drop any video and you get it straight. Go Instagram Poleeno_com. Ne follow. The original my camera AYA me producer. I am Good Boys Music. Papa. Yedumusia Yakram.
Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Say, oh, baby, I'm on home IFA. To say the my year, and you can so baby, I saw so ba Lydia Unisex Boutique. Who will be some say Lydia Unisex Boutique, El Hefa, El Asari Buche, School Junction, Hope, who drew an old business, open Lydia Unisex Boutique, or Pia Petro, but all her house and tire, papa, and the gua say. Didn't you know also about habit attire because attire papa de unyao. So be shot tire now be seen now be winning young mindy. But had the old bar. Obeshe, obesa shibi, amubi obisa atari de still never so your mono. Aha, and I'm a tormentary. Into so part I robot, so your basso your bema, into a friend unisex. Braha never taught her.
Make we jubilate. It's a happy day, joy all day. We never go fail, they never fail.